Wrecked BMW i3 is here for restoration. Since the video of 2 issues of the BMW i3 has been updated, thinking so loudly, brothers have always asked if there are any more, then get another one. This time it's the top model. By chance, I just met a car with good condition and high configuration. The downside of this car is that it is expensive, but it is also really good. A little bit in front, but the balloon popped. Side tail intact. In 2023, it was licensed and traveled more than 20,000 kilometers. Unload the car first and then study the damage carefully to see where it is damaged. It should have rear-ended someone else. The sensor happened to be triggered, and the live training balloon popped out. It shouldn't be very strong. I'm here to talk to you about a digression. It doesn't hurt to look ashamed, and there are a lot of things to guess. Recently, some fans have reported that they have stepped on the pit. Individual merchants first use low-priced car covers to charge a deposit. Then there are various reasons for not being able to find a car and so on. The remaining half is carried for several months. Get it, and he will refund you half. It's useless to find an uncle in this situation. Be careful, everyone. He wants to put your little money in his pocket. You want to do big things with small money. In your experience, how long does it take to repair and how many accessories does it take? I have seen too many big ones of flat fashion, and suddenly I feel that it is not interesting to do this kind of thing. After all, the price has persuaded many people to quit. If you have any questions, please discuss in the comment area. Built-in disassembly end. The appearance is not damaged much. Disassembly can determine the accessory order. Power battery disassembly. Let me briefly explain the insurance maintenance of the battery to you. Continue with the camera. Disassemble the SME. Remember to take precautions. A few hundred volts is no joke. Open the top cover. Unplug this first. The fixing screws should also be removed. Separate base housing. Remove the computer. The computer is more complicated, so it will not be displayed. It is not recommended to operate it yourself. This step can be sent for repair. It's not expensive. Keep guessing. Find this yellow plug and remove this safety. By the way, this insurance is also removed. These two are ordered back separately. Replace the computer, activate it, and install it back. And that's the end of the SME fix. Isn't that simple? Like it and support it. Remove the glass as usual and replace it with another piece. Check if it is scratched when dismantling, and it is nothing if the paint is scratched. It will rust out in 2 years. So professional things are still done by professional people. The exterior accessories have also arrived. Get started with replacement. The texture of the car is reflected in every detail. Usually, the easiest way for you to check whether the car is repaired by yourself is to compare the gaps between the plates. Usually, the video is fixed in a blink of an eye. It really took a lot of time and effort on the details. Sheet metal ceiling reading session Apo. Interior mesh reloading. All loose screws are beaten back to correspond to the twist. No kidding is all. Power on failure. Ready to call it a day? To the paint part. Get your pose ready to open. Control paint brightness. Can't spray at one time. Second coat of paint. Oil control is also sprayed with 2 layers. Let stand for a few hours after heating up. And then you get a couple of perfectly painted surfaces. Passport is 90% complete. The brother who cleans the room is responsible for the installation. This way you can get back to your job better. Take the double effect link. At this point, the repair of i3 is over. Stay tuned for more fixes. See you next time.